Reach the World supports our travelers by pairing each one with an editorial team, consisting of a dedicated staff member and a trained corporate volunteer editor. Together, the editorial team reviews and polishes the content that travelers submit. Reach the World articles go through 4 statuses. Drafts that the traveler is still working on will be in Traveler Draft status. Once the traveler submits an article, the status will change to Editor Draft. The volunteer editor will then review the article and save it as a staff draft. Then, the Reach the World staff editor will publish the article, and it will be listed as published. When an article is ready to be reviewed, editors will click the content title and then Edit Draft. Editors make changes to their travelers' articles directly in each field. Simple edits include correcting spelling and grammar, italicizing foreign words, and adding translations. Editors also revise their travelers' articles by fact-checking the information and making sure it is appropriate for the classroom's reading level. All writing should reflect the traveler's personal experiences and should not make generalizations. When they are finished, volunteer editors save the article as a staff draft. They can leave a message for the staff editor in the revision log message box here. If an article is incomplete or missing photos, the editor will send it back to the traveler by saving it as a traveler draft. In these cases, editors will leave notes for their traveler in the message box. At this time, volunteer editors cannot edit photo captions. Instead, if they notice an issue with a photo caption, they will notify the traveler's staff editor. Travelers and editors should communicate using the website messaging system. By sharing feedback and constructive criticism each week, editors help their traveler hone their descriptive writing skills. This improves the quality of the content that students use in the classroom.